You know the difference between your credit card statement date and your due date? Because most people don't. If you don't know the difference between these two dates, I hate to tell you this, but you ain't using your credit card correctly. Let me tell you what you should be doing with your credit card. Here's an example of a credit card statement. As you can see, it says October 23rd to November 22nd. November 22nd is the statement date. This is typically the date anywhere between this date and about 5 days after that credit card companies will report all the information on your credit statement to the credit bureaus. Right here is your statement due date. I'm not going to show you that because it's not ever important. Forget all about it. Now here's a trick you can use to boost your credit scores. So since we know our statement date is the 22nd, we know that they're going to report all the information to the bureaus between the 22nd and the 27th. This means I need to pay my balance down to zero between the 17th and the 20th to make sure that on the 22nd, that information is ready to push over to the bureaus. This will ensure a 0% utilization is reported to the bureaus, maximizing my points from this particular credit card. Now, just to make sure and be safe, we're not going to make any charges on this card until the 27th. The most important information from all of this is that you can charge up as much as you want to on this credit card before the statement date ends, and it will report zero utilization. That's the trick.